Jack here, and in this one we're looking at the CIVIVI Baby Banter. This is one neat little knife. I've got it in the cool pink color, and full disclosure, it was sent to me for free for an honest review. But in just a moment, we'll open it up, talk through the specifications, and do a sharpness test, and talk about why I think it is one cool little knife. Let's check it out. Typical white CIVIVI box, and our black little carry pouch, or stored pouch. On the inside, you got the knife itself, all your promotional materials, your stickers. Nice that you got a little Baby Banter sticker, your CIVIVI sticker, and your microfiber cloth, and the Baby Banter itself. Nice little small compact design. You can see on my hand there just how small it is. It's coming in right at 3.12 inches from top to bottom there. I'll walk you through some of the features of the knife. You've got the G10 scales on either side. You do have a reversible pocket clip. It's a nice deep recessed pocket clip. Now it is always going to be point up though, you can't rotate it over here. Underneath the CIVIVI logo, you've got your durable ceramic ball bearing that we know and love. You've got your little lanyard loophole if you so choose to use it, and your thumb stud. So the way you open this is going to be thumb stud only. There's no other alternative way to open it. Real quick flip, and it's very nice and easy to open. It comes out forceful, and it did take me a second to kind of figure out how to get my thumb exactly in there to flick it. But once you get it right a couple of times, you're set. Now, really nice blade with a really nice grind right out of the box. It is a nitro V-steel, and the thumb stud is actually titanium. Give you an idea of the liner in there. They're calling this a nested liner lock, which apparently makes it more easily accessible. I've had no problem getting my finger in there to kind of pull that down, or my thumb, and flip it closed just like that. And we'll go ahead and flip it again. Now the blade length is 2.34 inches, which is perfect for me because where I often travel, I like to keep it under 2.5 inches for various reasons, if you know what I mean. But one of my favorite features of this knife is actually the little cutout right through here. I'm not sure the technical term of that. I like the texturing on there as well, and maybe it's knurling, but if you put your finger in there and you kind of hold it like this, this is a great grip on this knife. It feels super sturdy and durable. This part, even though there's not the texture up here, the edge is kind of a little bit aggressive, which isn't sharp, but it does actually hold your thumb and prevent it from sliding side to side. And it feels super comfortable, and it functions in that way, kind of like a bigger knife. It is very lightweight. It's coming in right at 1.99 ounces. So really easy to disappear in the pocket and forget it's even there. From my experience too, the knife has a really great balance point, which is right about here, right at the end of this pocket clip. And I've noticed that while using the knife, it just makes it feel very lightweight and kind of like an extension of your hand. Like always, we'll go ahead and do a quick sharpness test using 550 cord. Go ahead and cut one strand first, and then two strands as well. This knife is a little less sharp than it was when I first opened it. I've been using it a little bit, but still no problem, cuts right through. And all things considered, if you're in the market, I think the CIVIVI Baby Banter is a very solid option. I'm digging mine in the pink and blue color. Hope this video helps your purchase decision. Thanks so much for watching.